Former Full House actress Candace Cameron Bure is opening up to People magazine about what she says was her long battle with the bulimia, describing the eating disorder as a dangerous cycle that can consume your life. Bure talks more about her struggles in her new book, Reshaping It All. French model and actress Isabelle Caro has died. People magazine reports the 28-year-old Caro, who suffered for years from anorexia, died on November 17th. Her acting teacher tells People that Caro had battled anorexia since she was in her early teens. Laura Govan, the fiance of NBA star Gilbert Arenas, claims Arenas abandoned her and her 3 children when he was recently traded from the Washington Wizards to the Orlando Magic. Govan's rep tells the Washington Post that Govan, who's 4 months pregnant, hasn't heard from Arenas the whole month of December. Reports say Britney Spears will release a new single next week. Entertainment Weekly reports that the single Hold It Against Me will premiere next Friday, January 7th. This has been Celebs in 60 Seconds.